I don't lose. I either learn or I evolve. Without my losses, I can't evolve. I don't complain about my losses. When the market offer me a loss, it is an opportunity to learn, the opportunity to evolve. I take it gracefully because I'm about to evolve. I took this, this, this. I made one silly mistake with this third trade. I'm a human, I'm not a robot. Mistake is allowed. This particular trade, I would have win it if I am not 8 seconds late. My two losing streak in a row has been destroyed because I am 8 seconds late. Also, I have minus 10% drawdown on my initial capital, which did not worry me a bit. This is not the first time I'm going to have drawdown, and I don't even feel anything. I don't feel like I have any drawdown. Without any further ado, let us analyze the charts together. On this chart, I see this is a downtrend. The MACD on downtrend, the stochastic oscillation is also on downtrend. So immediately I spot this stuff that I can call a shooting star. I entered the trade thinking that a red candle is going to win, but the green candle won. In the next chart, I'm going to show you why I am saying, assuming I'm using martingale, but with my account balance, using martingale is very, very risky. And since my main purpose on this account is to try my possible best to grow this $10 account with a proper risk management. That is the reason why I'm not using martingale. But I used martingale last week or last 2 weeks in to prove one point to you guys. So now this is a neat downtrend. When I saw this candle engulf this doji candle, this dragonfly doji candle, and this candle engulf it, that is the reason why I took the trade. Now I'm going to show you, assuming I use martingale, assuming I took this next trade, I'm sure I am going to win. This is the trade. I took this trade that it should come down, but it went up like the green candle one. Now you see the next trade. Assuming I trigger martingale, I'm going to win this trade. You remember I'm using proper risk management. That is the reason why I'm not using martingale. So up to the next trade I took, which is the second trade. Immediately I see this strong candle that engulf this candle and it finishes under the moving average. It should come down, but market does their thing. It went up. Assuming I trigger martingale, I would win this one also. You can see at this point the market respects my strategy, but I cannot be 100% right. That is what I take this one for. You see, assuming the market should give me something like this. The market should give me something like this. It might not be the same candle, but it should be red. But I lost the trade. This particular trade spoiled my two losing streak in a row. Like since I started trading with this $10, the maximum loss I always have is two losing in a row, and the third trade I always win. I always win. If not because I am 8 seconds late. Yes, you guys see, I still have 2 more seconds and the candle already formed. Assuming I'm not 8 seconds I'm not 8 seconds late, I would win because I placed my trade on this candlestick and it formed green because I said the green, which are the buyer, they are going to win for the next 1 minute. They won, but I did not decide quickly because my attention was divided. No, this is the trade that spoiled my losing streak. No, so let's see. And at this particular trade is formed with the red one, but that is just what I want you guys to see. Like you guys can see in 2 seconds, and this one has already, the candlestick has already read up to 56. So it's going to be 56 plus is it 4 and plus this 2. That is why I consider it, that is why it is 8 seconds late. So assuming I'm not 8 seconds, I'm sorry, I think I'm repeating what I'm saying too much. So on this chart I can see is on downtrend, and immediately I see doji, this red doji, I'm 100%, no, let's say I'm 90% sure that I'm going to have green, because it respects this stuff, respect my strategy here. Also, this one respect my strategy, but I lost. This is the last trade I took for the day. You already see my balance is already at 19, so minus 10% drawdown. So this actually is on uptrend. MACD uptrend. This third indicator also is on uptrend. I saw this green doji, and mostly after this green doji, I should have anything. If not red doji, it should be red candle. So it respect, you see, after this green doji here, I have red doji, I have green doji. It should be with what I predicted, it should be red. You guys see, even 1 seconds, like it around 5 seconds, the candle shoots up. Assuming the candle did not shoot up, they should return my stake amount back to me. So that is the reason why I lose the trade. I cannot be 100% right. So I lose four trades today. That is $4. No. So that is the reason why I just have to stop trading for the day, because I lose lot of money, and because of my risk management, money management, and I'm now ready to blow this account. That is the reason why I stopped trading. Also, I must not over trade. So probably tomorrow I'm going to think about what to do, but I must polish myself with this thing. I must evolve. I must think of what I did wrong. I knew the what I did wrong. I entered late, and I have my attention divided. Moral of today: make sure you make a quick decision and don't get your attention divided while trading. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to blow that subscribe button for more content. Till tomorrow. Peace.